Hello, my friends, and welcome. I hope you're doing fine. And today we will do the next exercise of Exercism. It's called Resistor Color Duo. So if you can remember, we did, in the last video, we did the resistor color. So basically, if we go to Exercises, Overview, yeah. So last time we did it resistor color, and this one is the next, but I was thinking, well, we did resistor color, and this is a resistor color duo. It's basically the same. So why not do it now and then do the others next time? All right. So we solved this, and here's a reminder how we did that. Oops, that's the correct one. All right. So we had like all the colors in an array as a string, and we just basically went through the array and said, okay, if this is the color, we want the index of that. So if someone said red, so the selected color is red, we go, okay, what is the index of red? It's 0, 1, 2, and we give them back 2. So basically, this exercise, I'll close this. So this exercise is basically the same, but we have two colors this time. So all of this is the same as resistor color, except this last paragraph. So let's read that. So it says, from the example above, brown green should return 15. Let's have a look at that. So brown is 1 and green is 5. So you have 1 and 5 together, it's 15. Brown, green, violet should return 15 too, ignoring the third color. So we only take 2 colors, and if we have like 10 colors, we ignore them and we just take the first 2. Okay? So basically, you have a list of selected colors, and then you only take the first 2 and you add them together, basically. Okay, so easy enough. Let's copy that. Terminal. So let's add this. And let's say, cd to this path. And then let's open the loop and open, I had it open before, and open the test file. All right, cool. So let me make this bigger. So we have a class here. The class is resistor color. So let's copy that and let's open Dartpad and paste it in here. Let's see. Sorry, where is the this one? Yeah. Okay. So we have resistor color duo. So we have result is in integer. So our function, well, our method is called value. It's return integer, and it gets a string of a list of strings. Okay. So let's copy value. All right, let's do it here. So we have integer, value, and this method has a parameter of a list of strings. So we do it like this. And let's call it selected colors. List of selected colors. All right, cool. So we need of course, the colors. So I closed the file. Okay, no worries. I have it copied here. So what you need to do is, again, outside the method, just paste this one. Yeah, so all the colors, and you need to have them in order. So black first, brown, red, orange, yellow. So don't exchange the order, because this is important. Okay. All right. So let's think about the solution first. All right. First of all, it says you need only 2. So we are getting a list of strings, and you need only the first 2. So how can we do that? So basically, it's easy. If you say selected colors, and you make the rectangular brackets, and you say 0, this is the first one, and if you say 1, it's the second one. So basically, that's it. So we will use that. And in the last solution, we used index of. So yeah, let's combine both together. So what we need to do is we take the first color, index of, and put that, and then add the second color, index of, add them together, and then return the solution. Okay, so we return colors dot. So we take the index of as last time, and this time we have selected colors, and we take the first one, and the first one is 0. Okay, so we have our first color and the value of the color, and then we add. Basically, we can copy that. Let me do it like this. Make it so you can read it. 1. Okay, so basically that should be the solution. So let's see if that's working correctly. So let's print that out. Copy that, because we have a class dot. We have value, and I'll copy from here something. Let's copy this first one. So we have brown and black, and it should return 10. Okay. All right. Okay. Everything okay? No errors. Cool. So let me make it one smaller. I hope you can read it. So I can fit everything in one. Yeah, I think this is also good. All right. So let's run it, and let's see if that works. I need to do it 2 times. I don't know why. Okay, so we're getting 1. Why? Okay, basically because it's easy. So the first color, it's brown, and brown is 1. Okay. The second color is black, and black is 0. So what happens if you add 1 plus 0? It's 1. So how can we solve that? That's also easy. So basically, we can multiply the first one with 10. So now if we run the solution, we get 10. So that's an easy cheat. What you can also do, how you can also solve this problem, is to basically to convert this whole thing to string, and this one also to string, and add them together. And at the end, you need to convert them back to integer, because you need to give back an integer here. Okay, so colors index of and dot to string string. Okay, like this. And then if you add them together, it's called concatenation, or concat. And at the end, you need to put them in brackets. Well, it's int dot parse bracket blah blah blah. That's this. You need one more. All right, you need to, come on. What is the, we need to string here as well. So it's that one to string. Okay, so let's see if this one also working. So it should return 10. Okay, basically. So let's try something else. Blue, gray. It should be 68. Blue and gray, it should be 68. So basically how you do it is on you. So the first solution, we said that we take the first one and multiply it by 10 and then add the second one to it. Or we can do it like this. We say, okay, we take the first one and then make it to string, like the value of the first string, and make it to toString again, and then concatenate it with the second one, and then at the end we need to convert it to integer. So how you do it, it's on you. I think the better solution is the first one, because it's less calculation. It's less trying to parse, and if there's an error and whatever. So the first one is like more, it's faster and better. Okay. So basically this is how you solve this exercise. And yeah, that's it. And if you find this video helpful, give me a like and sub to my channel. And I see you next time. Steve out. Ciao.